Okay, I'm not prepared for this video, so can we wait a minute? What? Okay. Hi, my name is Cory Flokstra. Oh, too much. Why does my mom always buy fizzy water? I want Gatorade, not fizzy water. You ever seen those waters that fizz in them? I'm not talking about pop. Yeah, let's talk about that instead. Okay, I'm not talking about pop. I'm talking about this new thing that they put flavors in like bubbly, fizzy water. Why the fuck do I drink these? Well, I get thirsty and I drink something. Or I just drink it regardless. I drink it. I drink what we have in this house because otherwise it gets old. We got some tea in a gallon that got old quick because nobody refrigerated it, and it didn't even fit in our refrigerator. Tell you the truth, and my dad bought a dumb refrigerator. I was hoping since the refrigerator got broken, we would get a new refrigerator that has an ice maker. You know what I mean? An ice maker, so you wouldn't have to pour ice trays and freeze those into ice cubes. But instead, we got this dumb, clunky, and it does not fit everything in the refrigerator. Maybe the freezer, I don't know. We don't use the freezer much. Maybe that's the reason why yeah. Dumb dad. Anyways, yeah. Yeah, you see it all the time. What am I talking about? These fizzy waters. Well, there's different brands of it. It's kind of gay. Don't even drink those. Those are like they're like drinks for gay people. Drink straight up soda pop, not this stupid fizzy water shit. Yeah, sure, they're trying to make healthier alternatives, but those suck. Okay? Everything in life sucks. And so does soda pop and fizzy water. Don't even drink them, even. Where the fuck is my Gatorade? Don't even drink Gatorade either. It's just crap. Oh, but let's talk about something like Mountain Dew, for instance. Mountain Dew is becoming really patriotic. What I mean by that is, they got one called the Liberty Brew. Am I saying it right? Liberty Brew. I tasted the Liberty Brew Mountain Dew, and it's the best. Oh, wait. They don't call it Mountain Dew anymore. They call it Mtn Dew. What stupid people? People are so short nowadays with things. They don't even pronounce the whole word when they write things out. Oh, Mountain Dew? Let's call it Mtn Dew because it's short and people would start being deceived and call it Mtn Dew. I'm sick and tired of this. Stop calling Mountain Dew Mtn Dew. Mtn Dew. I call him Mtn Dew because I don't like the stupid. I really don't like how they're short with things. Okay? They're short with a lot of things nowadays. They like to abbreviate and stuff like that. I see that a lot on YouTube too yet. There's this YouTuber by the name of what's his name? Captain Lemon? I don't know. Oh, Emperor Lemon. You wonder what happened to Emperor Lemon? Yes. He changed Emperor Lemon to Emp Lemon. I would say keep the damn fucking Emperor Lemon. I think it's cool. I don't know if it was a YouTube channel still there. There's lots of YouTube channels that are being taken down for some odd reason. But they come back. But then they get this. They change. If you look at Monkey Jones' YouTube channel, or what the aftermath of what happened. I'm not talking about aftermath as in what he did, but I mean like what they did to him. They broke him. They made him so that he can't do the same stuff he used to do, which was funny. Do you realize that? I don't know. I don't know what happened. I know what happened because I watched all his videos and now they're all different. Insanely different. What happened to Monkey Jones? This is a sad video. We're talking about people being short. We're talking about people getting obliterated off of YouTube. We're getting all this other shit. And I don't like my refrigerator. I don't like it at all. We're having not old, but a really super high class new refrigerator that has like a ice maker. But no, you got one that's crap and does not fit everything. Not even a gallon of tea to drink. And I don't like all this fizzy water. Mom, stop buying fizzy water. She doesn't watch my videos. Good. We don't need adults. I don't know. I'm half adult, half young person. But don't call me a kid. I am a young adult. Yeah. I'm not a teenager anymore. Those teenage years are very bad. I'm not going to go over that kind of shit. Do I have man boobs? I need to lose some weight. Bye.